Have you met a guy or currently dating or in a relationship with a man that you think he's completely useless? If you have, stay tuned, keep watching this video. I'm going to tell you how to get in control of the situation. If you don't know who I am, I'm Sindy V King. I am a creator of Calling in My King. I help transform women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. So, you obviously are with a man or not too sure if you continue on being with a man who you think is completely useless. Here's the truth of the matter. Nobody is useless. Here's the thing. They're just not meeting those expectations. And what are you going to do about it? The reason why you think he's useless is because there's something within you want control. And having control feels secured, right? And if they're not meeting those expectations, they aggravate you and they irritate you and they just really don't get it, then it's really time for you to reflect, do the thinking and the feeling, the now. So that you need to solve this problem. Why is it agitating you so bad? What is irking you? And you need to talk to that partner. So if you're not talking to your partner about it, then they don't know how to fix the problem. If they don't know how to fix the problem, then how are they supposed to move forward? They're going to continue to annoy you and you're going to be in the avoidance eventually. And that's not good, and that's you being passive aggressive eventually. So you went from controlling to passive aggressive, and that's a little bit not healthy in a relationship. Here is the thing. You're allowed to teach your partner how things are being done, maybe your way, and he or she might need a little bit more practice of it. And that's the truth of the matter. Having control is not really a solution, but teaching them to how to do it, and they can try it out a couple times, and anything that you're learning new, you're going to make mistakes, right? But I would say get away from the whole statement of feeling useless, because that's all you're going to be targeting at the end of the day, and it's not healthy for you or for the partner. You literally could break their spirit when you say things like that or think the way like that, because that's all you're going to think of. That's the target, right? But I don't think you're that type of person. That's not the reason why you're here. You really want to make things better. And when things are not better, look, it could be you and this might be not a good fit, but you have to let the person know that this is not a good fit because there's certain things that you want done. But you know what? The best strategy, having somebody do things for you, either you're going to do it for yourself, and if you think that they are not meeting your expectation, then you got to try it for yourself, right? Maybe you're a master of it, and maybe nobody has a clue the magic book of how to get it right, but except for you. But that's where I want to end the conversation today, this topic. And this topic today is not about controlling. Nobody's useless. It's all about understanding each other and teaching each other. And number one is accepting. And no matter what, if you don't think this person's 100% worth staying, then leave. But you gotta have some sort of dignity and respectful relationship between you and your partner, stating that this is a clear line that is not working out. But I think it's really important to have that conversation. And it's so important to have this conversation, not through text message. It's really important to actually set up a time to have this conversation. I really hope this actually has helped you in any way. And let me know what's down below that you met somebody who you thought it was completely useless and they just miss a few steps here and there, and to make it perfect for you, right? Or vice versa, if you're in the other situation and they're not getting it right, or you can't meet their expectation. Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.